Hello viewers. Today's our topic is how to cancel manufacturing order in Dev MRP cancellation via MRP module. You can see here this module. First install this module, so click on activate button. Go to manufacturing menu. Go to any orders. You can see here cancel button. Click on and add your reason like no need of orders and click on cancel button. So you can see here your order with cancel reason and move instead cancelled, and also see in chatter in cancel reason. Okay, thank you.